Good morning, Lee. I'm here with Simon from Manawee Nursery at Buderim in Gloucester Road. I've just spent about an hour with him and he's been really helpful to look at some permaculture and organic type philosophies about some of the plants to get for 4 sage close that will be producing and complementary to the permaculture type fruiting and edible type plants. So Simon, can you just explain what we've got in the tray here, please?
Yeah, sure, not a problem. So first we've got some white alyssum. White alyssum is really important because it introduces pollinators, and it also is a host plant for particular insects which help keep pest and disease down in the garden.
We're going to hedge these along the front of the waterfront and down the not down the sides. There's 2 distinct areas: there's the front yard and the backyard. These would be good pollinators. For that, explain that aphids again.
Yeah, so they're a host plant for a particular insect, and when that insect breeds on the plant, it actually eats aphids, so you don't have to spray as much and can keep the garden more natural.
Okay. Yep.
And help keep the bugs under control. We've got some Roma tomatoes to grow in a sunny spot. Roma's a good medium-sized fruit. We've got some eggplant in there as well. Again, a medium-sized fruit and a medium-sized plant for a warm, sunny spot.
I'm going to put these along the waterfront, Lee.
We've got a black Genoa fig. Black Genoa grows particularly well in this part of the world. It's also a good variety that fruits very quickly. Lots of fruit on it, and you can keep the tree trimmed at a small size.
So about 3 metres?
Anywhere between 2 to 3 metres, and It'll quite happily fruit. This is a bay leaf tree or shrub. Again, it can be trimmed to 2 to 3 metres. It's the leaves which are useful, and it trims beautifully, turns into a nice shrub. Likes a warm, sunny position in well-drained soil.
Looking near the front door for this one.
We've got some lavender on the trolley there as well.
There's a French lavender.
The French lavender is very good to grow in this particular region. French lavender also helps with introduce pollinators and other beneficial insects into the garden as well. We've got some strawberries just in front there. Strawberries, this is the time of year, the season to be growing strawberries. Strawberries are great because a small plant yields a lot of fruit. Strawberries grow in a nice warm sunny spot. We've got another smaller tomato here, a cherry tomato.
There's a truss.
Which grows along a truss, so you get lots of small little fruit on one little truss. We've got a rosemary plant there, which again a very tough and hardy plant, good for dry and hot situations. All parts of the plant are useful. We've also got a mint plant there, grows well in shade or semi-shade, as well as tolerating wet conditions, so something to possibly go down the side of the house.
This will go down on the south side between Gary and your house, where I'm going to have the vertical garden, so this will get the runoff from when we water the vertical garden. All right, thanks very much, Simon, and hope to introduce you to Lee when he's here in June.
No worries, thank you.
Thank you.